Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily NVIDIA report for Wednesday, October 22nd, 2025. Let's take a look at the charts. I do want to, before I jump into this, before I forget to mention that on Tuesday, WickedStocks.com put out a stock pick on Beam Therapeutics, symbol BEAM. You can check it out for free by going to WickedStocks.com and taking advantage of our 5-day free trial, where you also will see our daily SPY and triple Q analysis, etc., etc. So check it out at WickedStocks.com. So this is a longer-term weekly chart. This makes the point that 172.69, that rising channel bottom, can absorb selling through the rest of the year, and above which we should see 219.64 over the next 2 to 3 months. And in fact, we've been expecting the 172.69 formation for the last week or so when we closed below the 187.19 daily channel bottom. This is the daily chart. So this channel structure goes back about a month. We closed below it over a week ago without any downside follow through, but we are expecting that 172.15 formation over the next week or two. We're a week into it, and it's taking longer than anticipated on the way down. And we actually tested this on Tuesday. 179.83 is the low settlement price that was put out about a week ago. It is still an intraday support level. And if we break 179.83, we should see 176.12 today. That is a 5/8 downside Fibonacci from that early September low against the more recent October high. And 176.12, I don't see it as a 3 to 5 day swing trade to the upside, just as a level where the market can grow exhausted for the balance of the day. Closing below 176.12, we should the very following day test our long-awaited 172.15, where we can bottom out, as I say, through November, through the rest of the year, and above which we do have this higher high, higher low dynamic. We can round up to 219.64 over the next 2 to 3 months.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the triple Q, and Nvidia, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity. Try it all free for 5 days. Cancel at any time.
If we were to close any week, and I don't see that this week, but if we were to close below 172.69, we do enter a significant sell signal that would likely play out into the first quarter of 26. Within a month or two, by the end of the year, 148.36 is likely. We could bounce nicely here, but I do think over time, within 2 to 3 months, we could find ourselves in the 110s, and I will illustrate that. I keep saying that if we were to close below 172.69. Working upside today, I've already mentioned how we've got 179.83 as our intraday support, and our intraday resistance, if you look at the far right, is 182.93. That is a descending channel top over the last couple of weeks. It can contain intraday, possibly daily highs, and below which 179.83 remains in reach today. If we push through 182.93, we could see 187.19 by the closing bell. 187.19 still able to contain buying through next week, and below which 172.15 remains, I'm going to say now, a 2 to 3 week target. Though I initially thought 1 to 2 weeks, we're a full week into that. If we can close above 187.19, over the next few days, let's say, and I don't expect that. I do think that this sell signal is a real one below 187.19, anticipating 172.15. But the market is going to do what the market is going to do, and if we close above 187.19, that is your indication to adjust, especially if you've been short for the last week. Adjust to the upside, adjust to the long side, to reverse and buy the market into the upper 190s and climbing. So a settlement above 187.19 over the coming days would signal a 2 to 3 week buy signal to 199.55 and climbing. If you can hold that with the settlement above 187.19, that's a solid 2 to 3 week trade where we could top out on a weekly basis and even fall away for a week or two from there, on our way up to presumably 219.64. I think I've actually covered it all I am going to leave it at that for Wednesday's daily NVIDIA report. You have a great day.